Let me tell you about these real quick. These are little diamond mining kits. 1 in every 24, you have a chance of winning a real diamond, and I got them on Amazon. There's 2 brands that sell them. I got 2 from each brand, so I'm really excited, aren't you? So follow me so that you know when I do that. Okay, is that it? But are there diamonds in here? Or did I get scammed? That pressure makes diamonds. 1 rock for digging, 3 mining tools, 1 surprise stone or diamond inside. 1 in 24 has a real diamond. I got these kits for $20 each, $80 in. So these 2 are different. Side. Collect all 6 gemstones. If you don't get a diamond, you get one of the other gemstones. Rose quartz, tourmaline, jasper, tiger's eye, crystal, volcano rock. I'd like to collect all 4 diamonds. Inside we have this bath bomb looking thing, this hammer, what looks like a dollar store paintbrush, and this plastic chisel. I don't know. I guess we just start breaking this apart. Like this, how? Oh boy, made it seem. Okay, what if we, no. How about I get a real hammer? Okay. This is, I hope, not advertised for kids. There we go. It's definitely not a diamond. Is that it? Is that it? Rose quartz? That's it. That's it. Tell me that's not it. I think we got scammed, but we have 3 more to go. Real diamond mine. This is suspicious. What the fuck is it? In this kit, magnifying glass, a miniature shovel to shovel all the bullshit with. We have our 1 rose quartz from yesterday. I'm a 2nd one from that brand. This one is green. I wonder if that's like the obvious thing. Pink is probably rose quartz. Is there a green stone? Adventurite. So I'm guessing that if you get a green one, you get a green stone, but I don't want to ruin the video. Okay, here we go. Oh, there it is already. And I was right. Aventurine. There's no blue stone. More promising. This one's a little, texture feels a little bit rougher. Oh. What is this? It looks like volcano rock. We have volcano rock. Okay. And last but not least, $80 for this. If I just spend $80 to volcano rocks, I don't even know. Here we go. Are you a diamond? It's definitely not a diamond. What is this? Why are these like chewable Tums? What is this? I don't even know what that is. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing for me is what it is. Ah, scam. Don't buy these. I just rinsed that last one off. This picture, Jasper. It looks like the leftovers from when they were making tiles. Somebody's making a fortune selling garbage.